Hi, this is Jeremy Hugas with Platte Entry Law. Just wanted to give you a quick update. I realize right now a lot of us are feeling a lot of different things. It's kind of a heavy time, and probably every one of us knows somebody who's been affected directly by this COVID-19 virus, either because they've gotten sick or they've lost a loved one or a friend, or just because they've lost their job or know somebody who has, as a lot of businesses have had to make some pretty drastic changes and have had to shut things down as we kind of all figure it out. So it's kind of a scary time, it's a frustrating time, and it's a time, I think, of a lot of uncertainty and heaviness. And I think we're all sort of just processing it the best we know how, and a lot of different ways to do that. But I wanted to just let each of you know kind of how we're responding to this situation at Platte Entry Law. And the first thing I want to say is, if you're a client of our firm, I just want to say rest assured that we're continuing to move your case forward. There's some delays that are outside of our control as other businesses shut down and as the courts have kind of closed most of their hearings, at least in-person hearings. But we're doing everything that we can to move the cases forward still. We have a pretty nimble operation, and so a lot of the stuff that we do is already technology. It incorporates a lot of technology, so our phones, our email, our case management, our ability to send letters and sign agreements and send faxes, we can all do that from our laptops, from the comfort of our home. And so even if things get shut down completely and we can't work in the office, our business is going to keep moving forward, and we're set up really well to do that. So I wanted to make sure that you have our commitment and reassurance that we're still pushing things forward with your case. The other thing I wanted to say is that for some people right now, they're thinking, well, I think I have a case, but I'm concerned about coming into contact with people. And again, because we're set up the way we are, if you are interested in doing a consultation or getting some advice about a potential injury case, we're set up really well to do that by way of a video conference call. We can send out representation agreements, get medical record requests, all of that we can do and sign electronically and get sent out that way. So if one of your concerns is coming into contact with folks, don't hesitate to give us a call, because we can still help do all that and make sure you stay safe and avoid any more contact than necessary. The last thing that I want to say is that if you are treating, call and talk with your healthcare providers. If you've been injured but you're trying to navigate, well, how do I go about get treatment? I encourage you to at least call and find out what their recommendations are. Certainly, we encourage all of our clients to get the treatment that's been recommended, but there may be some changes that have to be made. We're looking right now to see if we can partner with some other types of treaters like chiropractors and physical therapists to find ways that some of that treatment you can continue with at home until we're able to move past this together. So if you have some uncertainty or questions about what you should be doing with treatment, whether you're a client of ours or you've just been injured but you have a certain course of treatment that's been recommended, we certainly encourage you to contact and be in close communication with your healthcare providers to see what they're recommending in terms of putting that on pause or coming in or finding some creative ways to take care of that at home. Like I said, we realize this is a challenging time for everyone. Our prayers and thoughts are with everyone who's been affected directly by this, and we're just going to continue to band together and try to figure it out the best we can, even though it feels kind of scary and messy at times. There's a lot of beautiful human spirit out there that we're seeing, and we just encourage all of you to lean into each other, even if not physically. Take care of each other, and we're going to get through this together. We'll talk to you soon. Thanks.